Welcome again to another day of free speaking. Today is a day, today 4th of June, and as usual, I just came for running. And today it's a different location for shooting my video. It's a really great. Like I'm just sitting into this bare ground. Background is great. There is a grass behind me, and it seems nice in the video as a background. It's 4th of June. Yesterday, RCB won the IPL 2025, and it was great. It was great. I was backing Punjab, but yeah, somehow they just didn't manage to win the game. RCB won the game, but at least some new team won the trophy. But it should not matter, because in the grander scale or larger scale, it doesn't matter who wins or who loses. It doesn't matter to you as a person, to you as a person, to as an individual. Uh, yeah, it's just an entertainment for only and only entertainment purpose. It should not be like you just should be mad behind somebody winning and somebody losing, because it's anyways. If I do this little, it blacks my face or it darkens my face. When I do this, like the light comes properly onto the location, onto the face. Uh, yeah. What other than that? So yeah, like it just does not matter. Just for only and only sake of entertainment, it is, and yeah, it is great. It is great. Um, what other than that? Yes, the lesson that I came through, or which was running into my mind today while the time of running, was learn to not think for too seriously. Learn to not think too seriously. To not take things too seriously. Everything happens, but it does not bother you, and it is not like you just have to act that you do not care, or you are just taking it for the granted. It actually should not matter to you. There is this thinking or philosophy of Mark Manson, whatever, that subtle art of not giving a fuck. You should learn that thing. You should not give any single fuck about most of the things, and you need to learn to give a fuck about the important things, which really matters to you, or which should really matter to you, and which you really have to give a fuck about. Uh, there's this dog behind me, and I just don't know what to say, but I was reading this article by Mark Manson, that subtle art of not giving a fuck, and he was saying that you should learn, uh, yeah, you should learn to not give fucks about the unimportant thing, and you should learn to give fucks about who and what are the important things, which actually and really need to matter to you. He says that whenever you notice yourself that you are giving f's about unnecessary things, which means that you do not have something meaningful or something really important to give an f about, right? It should be totally up to you. You might be knowing, you always do know right thing, that which is the thing which matters to you, and which is the thing which does not really matter to you, right? Let's say you want to build I don't know, a really great social network, but you're not paying an attention, being lazy and all those shit, which means you do not give a fuck about that. You are just focusing on something else and chasing some another bullshit, and giving fucks about unnecessary unimportant things. So Mark mentions is that you should know which are the important F's and which are not really important to you. You should learn that. And you should learn how to not settle out of not giving an F. Yeah, there is this dog behind me, and I don't know what else to say about that. Yeah, this was the lesson which I went through while the time of running today. And yeah, it comes by the practice. It comes by the practice. You should know there are topmost what are your topmost priority nowadays to be better or to be like important as an individual. You might be having many duties towards yourself, and you need to start giving some real F's about those needs and situations and requirements. You should do that because that's what really going to matter to you in the shorter or larger or longer scale. That is a thing. It might be anything. You want to earn some money, some real amount of money. You want to build some really great social skills. You want to have some extraordinary level of conversational skills. You want to build a large and vast level of social network. You want to go abroad. You want to go whatever might be your priorities. You want to prioritize your family. You don't want to give an F about your roommate, a roommate or roomies or homies or people around you. You might be aware about which are the people which affects you and which is not the right thing that they are affecting you because they are doing that shit. Also, I came to know, came across this thought that nobody cares about you. Nobody cares about you because the only thing that people care about is themselves. The same exactly as you. The only thing that you care about is yourself because you are the center of your reality. For people, they are center of the reality. So by the time and the situations and circumstances, I just don't know how to pronounce it properly, but in whatever like tough or unnecessary things, ABC, XYZ circumstance, you just let's say some A thing occurred in a group and you associate that A thing to yourself because there is an egocentric bias, but that actually and really was not related to you. Because you are center of your reality, that does not mean people are targeting you, people just focuses on you to make you go through hell, whatever. No, nobody's target is like that. Do you have any target like this that I want to target this person? This person need to stop. This person need to not grow. This person need not to be painful. They need to be painful. Need to be pain or whatever XYZ. No. So for most of the people, majority of the people, I think that's the case only. They're just people. People are people. There is this very famous quote by Munshi Premchand that people like लोग अच्छे या बुरे नहीं होते, लोग अच्छे और बुरे होते. So it's your subjective view that he like he is targeting me, he is doing this and XYZ ABC. Nobody really cares. Nobody really cares. Nobody really cares. And you should stop giving real F's about those unnecessary demands and situations that you keep telling yourself. I just don't know why just this thing just keeps happening darken. The way I do this is dark. I do this is not dark. This is more lighter. So it is becoming a little harder for me to hold it for a longer duration. Yeah, this was the wisdom for today. Wisdom is not to be talked all the time. Wisdom is to be practiced. Embrace the hardships. It does not matter. Breakup occurred. It hurt, but it feels very nice. It feels very, very nice. As I'm sitting around in this ground, taking the good qualities of breath, taking the fresh air, being able to run, being able to do the exercise and feeling good about myself. What other than that? So this These are the things which matters. These are the things which I give a fuck. So learn to give a fuck about an important thing, and stop giving fucks about unimportant things. Most of the things in the life are to be taken for granted. Are to be taken for granted. So yeah, learn to not give a fuck. Learn to live. Learn to take things for granted. This was what my partner, whatever, was like. She was too much in openness. She was really high in openness. She didn't give any fuck. She do not give any fuck. And even rather than this, she gives an F to the people, to the things which are really mattering. This is a behavior that you need to learn. This is the thing which is why relationships are good, because two people are having totally different personality traits, and you learn them, you adapt them forcefully or likingly or whatever. Let's say you're highly conscientiousness. You're high in a conscientiousness. Another person is low, but in openness, she's too much high. You learn forcefully. You learn, or subconsciously you start adapting that behavior.